overturning resistance than that.
Yeah.
All right.
Is
Yeah.
140 kilograms worth of wind pressure a lot for a sign, or is that normal?
Look, I think that's pretty on the mark. We've got a sign that is about the size of this TV. It's in a windstorm which comes along only once every 100 years.
True. Yeah, true.
It's not a gentle. We're not talking about a gentle breeze.
This is,
Yeah. That's also why you can be confident when that wind is blowing, those teenagers are not there. Okay? It scares them away.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, 140 kilos of wind is a lot.
Yeah, that's what I was like.
You wouldn't
That's
One thing you need-
average day.
Yeah, no, it's a very serious wind. One thing you kind of need to consider is like debris that's flown around. You know, if a branch falls off a tree and blown into that sign, does it actually exceed that? And that's another design consideration. All right. So we've skated over some of the things. There's a lot more shape factors, especially when you talk about buildings and roofs, but that's how you do it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Any other questions? All right. Have a good one. I'm happy to entertain more questions on it later. Otherwise, have a good day.
Okay.